Okay, we are live. Hello, everyone. And, introduction. My name is Kevin, and I work for Central Balance. We are a group of acupuncturists and a herbalist based in Dinsdale, Hamilton. And I've been doing live talks for the past 2 to 3 weeks on headaches. So we covered a range of different topics on headache, such as migraine, tension headache, and also teaching you some of the ways to manage your headache, like the pressure points. Today, my focus will be on talking about what you can do that are good for relieving headaches and preventing headaches. So let's get started. Just 1 second. So first of all, I want to talk about some of the pressure points recommended for relieving your headache. Okay, we did talk about in the past videos about the different meridians. For example, the head, the frontal headache is to do with the stomach. Temporal headache is to do with gallbladder. The top of the head headache is to do with liver, and the back of the head headache is got to do with the bladder meridian. And I've been giving corresponding pressure points that can treat, for example, the temporal headache or frontal headache or top headache. Today, I'm going to give you some other points that will focus on treating any headache, just headaches in general. Okay, I'm going to give you a few more points. So, just 1 second, please. The Chinese acupressure, or some people might call it reflexology for treating headache. Actually, there's not too much scientific evidence. There's not enough research being done to it. But what people have observed is that these points are actually quite effective clinically. So, for example, one of the points I gave you was a point in the leg to treat the gallbladder meridian headache, and that's being used clinically, showing really good results. Okay, so I'm just going to look for. So let's go into the pressure points. The first pressure point I want to introduce to you is called Hegu. Hegu is actually based on the large intestine meridian, and it's located close to the first, well, maybe this is the second metacarpal bone. So bone in the palm. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the first one here, not the thumb. So how do you locate Hegu? Hegu is actually when you close your thumb towards the index finger, you will see a protrusion of muscle, and that is roughly where the point is. When it's around half tun or 0.5 centimeters away from the metacarpal bone. Okay, so and it's located in the center of the bone. So you can feel there's the head. These are the head of the bones of the metacarpal, and you draw these 2 points, and then it should be right in the middle, and that is the point you want to massage. And this point is actually very effective in relieving your headache. So, recommendation: how do you massage it? You press down firmly, so you can feel some soreness or distension. Give it a good rub, 10 seconds each time. And give it a break for about 5 seconds, and then do another 2 sets, like so. So that's one of the ways you can, one of the points you can massage. Okay, so this pressure point is actually believed to be able to relieve tension in the head and the neck. Okay, so there's a saying in Chinese medicine that Hegu point, okay, Hegu point here can treat anything in the face and the mouth. Okay, so you can try that to see if it can relieve your headache. The other point is on the bladder channel. So the bladder channel actually goes from the feet, okay, up the back, all the way up the back, and then onto the head, okay, and ends up at the front of the face, just next to your eyebrow, like here, right here. And these points are called 站足, okay? And what you can do is you can use your thumb to massage these 2 points. Give it a good rub, like so. Okay, for 10 seconds, give it a break, and then do another, give it a 5-second break, and then do another set. Repeat like that for 3 sets. And okay. And these are really good for eye strains, okay? Eye strains, or if you have sinus pain, okay? Now, the next point I want to give you is located at the back of your head. Okay, on the back of your head. So this point is actually also very well known. It's located, I might have to explain this. So on the back of the head, just, okay, if you touch your earlobe, okay, at the back of the earlobe, there's a bone, and that's what we call a mastoid process. And then once you feel that bone, you draw in, and then you can feel a depression right beneath the skull here. Okay, it's a little bit tender to touch, but the point that we want is actually located a little bit inside a little bit more. So it's actually roughly between the tendon next to your spine and that depression point where I just showed you. If you draw these 2 reference points, halfway between these points is your 风府. Oh, sorry, 风池. This point is called 风池. 风池 is a point that you might not be able to get into with just using your finger, okay? You might have to find a pointy object. I'm just trying to find something that is pointy. Just 1 second. might be something here. Okay, maybe not. Okay, so one way you can massage feng shui is you can use your knuckle. So the way to do it is you hold your index finger, bend your index finger in, hold it between your thumb and the middle finger. And your thumb and middle finger should be clenching on the first joint of your finger, like that. Okay, like that. Then you just apply it to that point where I talk about, and give it a good rub. Okay, so in fact, you don't have to stick to just one point. On the back of the head, between the tendon next to your vertebrae and the depressor point right next to the mastoid process. And this whole area you can massage to help alleviate your headache pain. And the next point I want to teach you is in the middle of your eyebrow. And this point is called 印堂, or some people refer to as the third eye. Okay, 印堂. So I think I've covered this point in one of the videos last week. So I won't talk about that too much. So 印堂 you can also massage, and it can help you enlighten your mood and also bring consciousness, just to make you what do you call what's the word, to make you more awake, more alert, more conscious. Okay, so this is the good point. And sometimes we use this point to help people with depression, anxiety, or irritability. We can all use this point. Okay, you can rub this point regularly to help you if you have mood, anxiety, or depression issues. The next point is called 肩颈. Okay, this point 肩颈 is actually located on the tip of your shoulder. Okay, it's halfway between your shoulder point and the base of your neck. So your shoulder, halfway between the edge of your shoulder and where at the base of your neck. So halfway, it should be around here. Okay, this is called 肩颈. So a lot of people hold tension in this area, and I can actually feel pressure there. And this pressure point is also very good for relieving stiffness in your neck and shoulder, relieving neck pain, and prevent headaches caused by this kind of sensation. So 肩颈 is really good to relieve your stress in the shoulder and alleviate headaches caused by the stress. All right, so we covered a few points. So I'll just repeat again: 合谷 on your in line with your large intestinal meridian, on your index finger on the first metacarpal bone. Okay, so this is a good point to massage. We say this is 合谷 can treat anything in the face and the head. Okay, and then I also talked about 站足, which is located at the end of your eyebrow in the center here. So you can feel quite sore when you press firmly. Okay, you can give these points a rub. That can also alleviate your headache. We have 风池, okay? 风池 at the back of your skull, just underneath your skull bone, okay, and you have yin tang. This point can also help you with any head-related issues or mood, anxiety, depression, etc. And jianjing, these 2 points, also really good to help you alleviate tension, stress. Okay. And apart from the excuse me there, just 1 second. Apart from using meridian points, okay, I also want to bring to your attention some of the exercises that you can use to alleviate or prevent your headaches. So what are these headache preventing exercises? So one of the recommendation for exercises to help prevent your headache is yoga. So why is yoga helpful for headaches? Because headaches can be worsened by musculoskeletal tightness and stress. In addition, people with headaches generally have poor postures and asymmetry between their left and right side. Okay, so we say that posture can your posture balance can also have an effect on your organs, and which in turn can manifest as symptoms. So this may lead to increased difficulty with relaxation because of headache pain. And yoga may be able to help you balance the mind, body, and spirit, or your energy, and to calm your mind and help you to relax. And furthermore, yoga can also improve your flexibility, posture, symmetry, and decrease the musculoskeletal tightness. So there are many different forms of yogas. Like you have like Bikram yoga, Ashtanga yoga, Iyengar, many different types. Most forms of yoga will combine breathing with movements of the body and holding postures. The best type of yoga I would recommend to you is for beginners, is the style of yoga that doesn't require you to hold a posture for an extended duration, because that is might be too difficult or straining. It's not good. Okay, so something, if you're going for yoga, something that doesn't require you to hold in difficult posture or straining posture is the best. And yes, yoga can also be used to help children and adolescents with headaches. It's helpful in all the ways that are mentioned above. And yoga can help teach children and adolescents how to move and align their bodies to reduce or even eliminate headache pains. By developing mind-body awareness, kids develop a lifelong skill set to increase relaxation and stress and pain management. And who should not be doing yoga? There are certain medical conditions that should not be done with certain types of yoga. Therefore, if you are looking into yoga for your medical condition, you should talk to your healthcare provider or doctor first. These medical conditions include disc disease of the spine, high or low blood pressure, glaucoma, risk of blood clot, fragile or atherosclerotic arteries, and severe osteoporosis. Okay, and the next exercise I want to recommend to you is actually Tai Chi. I myself have done Tai Chi for a number of years, and I find it really, really therapeutic, and also helped me immensely in relaxing my body, connecting my body, and general, and improving my general health. So traditional Chinese Tai Chi comprise of a series of movements that you perform slowly and purposefully. It's been popular for centuries for a reason. First of all, including maintaining a healthy body, healthy weight, and can help you reduce your blood pressure, improve heart health, immune function, and lower your risks of falling. Okay. So what is Tai Chi? Tai Chi translates to Grand Ultimate Fist. It's originally developed as a martial art. Originated in the 13th century, and it's non-impact exercise that can help people understand and feel their posture alignments through slow and careful movements. So Tai Chi can help you enhance your body awareness, balance, coordination, strength, and flexibility. And Tai Chi is very different from the similar practice of yoga. Tai Chi and yoga are both mind-body exercises, but they are stemmed from two different cultures and philosophy. So they're quite different things. So Tai Chi is often suggested for older adults. It has a well-deserved reputation for improving balance and preventing falls. But a lot of experts also agree that the benefits goes far beyond balance, and anyone and everyone should give it a try. I myself can attest that Tai Chi is very beneficial to your health, regardless of your age. You can do it. If you're really elderly, Tai Chi is also a great way to exercise. If you can go run around the block 10 times, no problem, do some Tai Chi. If you are very young, like I have seen people bring their 6-year-old to a Tai Chi class, and the 6-year-old can actually do the Tai Chi as well, no problem. So just let me introduce you to some of the health benefits of Tai Chi. So number one, Tai Chi can encourage fat loss. So for those who aren't really keen on high intensity exercises or aerobic exercises for weight loss, Tai Chi may be the answer for you. So researchers have actually concluded that adults over 50 years old can actually, I'm just 1 second. So researchers have done a number of studies to show that Tai Chi and conventional exercise, compared to conventional exercise, can reduce your waist circumference, your body weight, and reduce your cholesterol level compared to much better compared to conventional exercises. So one study showed that Tai Chi mirrors the beneficial effects of conventional exercise by reducing waist circumference in middle-aged and older adults with central obesity. Although Tai Chi is a gentle, mild mind-body exercise, our findings suggest that Tai Chi is an effective approach for managing central body obesity. The number 2 benefits is to help you relieve pain. So there's been a lot of studies conducted that shows that by helping your body relax, Tai Chi can actually reduce the musculoskeletal pain and post-traumatic stress disorder. So Tai Chi it's a great way to reduce your pain and symptoms in your body. And it can also help you strengthen your cardiovascular health, reduce the chance of you having a heart attack or heart disease or cardiovascular disease. It can also help improve your mood and mental health. So one of the things that we do in Tai Chi is we do Tai Chi as a moving meditation, an open-eyed meditation. So that is to focus your intention from outside to inside of the body, and you're feeling your intention is within your body, observing the state of your body, how relaxed you are, and also guiding the movements by using your mind, okay, rather than just doing movements on autopilot. So you have to be very focused because your mind is leading all your activities, all your body functions. Okay, so this is called a mindfulness meditation. And of course, it can also help boost your immunity. So research that looked at both Tai Chi and Qigong, a similar practice, found a wide variety of benefits, including improved immune functions. So the review of research published in American Journal of Health Promotion noted an improvement in antibody numbers after vaccinations. T cell increased in response to vaccinations and number of immune-related blood markers. Okay. And other benefits are includes improve your cognitive function, because we use our brain all the time doing Tai Chi. Okay. Protect against fracture, because you fall less, then you don't get as much bone traumas. And also lastly, it also helps you increase your sleeping, the health of your sleeping. Okay, so encourage a healthy sleeping cycle. Okay, so this is for the end of the talk for today. So we covered the number of pressure points you can use to help you alleviate your headache. We also look at yoga and Tai Chi, and these are the recommended exercises for you to do to help you manage your headache. And I hope the suggestions and the information in this video would help you in your life. And if you don't know anybody who needs some help with their headache, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are Centre of Balance based in Hamilton, Dinsdale, and Auckland, Ruakura. And just have a look up online for us. Just type in Centre of Balance, and you should be able to find us. Okay, until then, take care. See you next time.